go.
All right, here we go. Match number 102 underway. Sandstorm period, our final seeding match of the day. Everybody past that half line, 15 points allocated all the way around. The sandstorm is abating. Screens are lifted. Drivers have full visibility of the field. Early advantage going to the Blue Alliance. They've got a couple-point lead. 2 hatch panels in place on that rear rocket ship for Blue, 2 in place on the front one. Some defense being played by Tech Fire on the Robo Jackets, but now they back off the Robo Jackets, putting a 3rd hatch panel in place on that front rocket ship for Blue. Scores all tied up. Over a minute and a half to go, though, so plenty of time for anything to happen here. 4 hatch panels in place on the front rocket ship for Red, 3 on the rear rocket ship. Techfire still playing some defense, and they're able to get the Midnight Invaders to drop a hatch panel on the ground as they were trying to score it on that rear rocket ship for Blue. But now they come back and they put that 5th hatch panel in place on the rocket ship. Techfire 225 for Red, going back and forth between the 2 Blue robots, trying to slow each of them down. About 3/4 of a minute to go. Advantage Blue by about 14 points unofficially. 1 red robot sitting on the hab. That's Voyager. The Strike Zone robot. And as we come down to the end game, we got about 22 seconds to go. Does not look like we're going to get any completed rocket ships in this match. All 3 red robots with 9 seconds over on their hab. 2 of the 3 on the blue one. 3 seconds. 2, all 3 of them there now. 1, and time expires.
I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in my dream. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard.
All right, we're going to do the alliance selection after we call out the score here. At the end of this. This was our last seeding round match. So if you are representing your team for the alliance selection, you should be working your way down over to the side of the field. I see a line of teams starting to form. Put yourself in numerical order. And here comes the official score. It's going to be the Blue Alliance taking the match. They win it by a score of 78-61. That's 3 ranking points for the blue teams, 1 ranking point for the red team. So it did change some of the rankings. But the rankings are now complete. So if you are representing your team in the alliance selection, work your way over to the side of the field.